Expensive audio setups are quickly becoming unnecessary for music lovers. Today, savvy buyers are opting for budget turntable vinyl players that deliver rich sound and stylish performance. With improved speakers, Bluetooth connectivity, and vintage-inspired designs, they offer everything you need to enjoy your favorite records. Whether you're a beginner, vinyl collector, casual listener, or true music enthusiast, upgrading to the right budget turntable can completely improve your listening experience. Today, we break down the top 5 best budget turntable vinyl players, which combine value, sound quality, and reliability. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The fifth product on our list is the Mersoco M415. The Mersoco M415 is the best budget option vinyl player for a multi-speed playback system because it gives you impressive versatility, vintage style, and modern music features. If you want an affordable record player that can handle your entire vinyl collection while keeping your setup simple and portable, this one is a fantastic choice. With a classic suitcase-style design with premium leather texture, bronze metal accents, and a sturdy carry handle that makes it easy to move from room to room or take it along for gatherings and parties. Its retro appearance instantly adds warmth and nostalgia to any space while still feeling modern and practical. This belt-driven turntable supports all 3 playback speeds, 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, along with 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records. The semi-automatic tone arm and anti-vibration design help reduce motor noise and deliver richer, warmer sound quality for a more enjoyable listening experience. The speciality is its flexible multi-speed playback system combined with 5-in-1 connectivity options. You can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone through Bluetooth, connect larger external speakers using RCA output, play music through AUX input, or enjoy private listening with the headphone jack. You also get built-in stereo speakers that provide satisfying sound for beginners without requiring extra equipment. The smart auto stop function automatically stops the record when playback finishes, helping protect both your stylus and vinyl collection. If you want an affordable, beginner-friendly, and feature-packed vinyl player with versatile playback options and classic suitcase styling, the Mersoco M415 could be your favorite budget-friendly music companion. The fourth place on our list is the Victrola VSC-550BT. The Victrola Journey Bluetooth Portable Suitcase Record Player is the best vinyl player for its iconic suitcase design. It perfectly combines vintage style, portability, and modern music features in one compact setup. With a beautiful turquoise suitcase-style design with a convenient carry handle, making it easy to move your music from room to room or even take it to gatherings and parties. Its retro-inspired appearance instantly stands out and adds personality to your bedroom, office, or living space. This belt-driven turntable supports all 3 vinyl speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, so you can enjoy your full record collection with ease. The sound-isolating feet help reduce vibration during playback, while the upgraded built-in speakers deliver clearer audio with improved bass and better overall listening quality. The speciality is its iconic portable suitcase design, combined with flexible modern playback options. You can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone through Bluetooth, connect external speakers using RCA outputs for louder sound, or enjoy private listening with the built-in headphone jack. Setup is fast and beginner-friendly, so you can start spinning records within minutes without needing a separate stereo system or extra equipment. The simple onboard controls, including the input selector, volume knob, and auto stop switch, make everyday use smooth and convenient. Victrola also adds a custom-tuned preamp that helps improve audio clarity and bass performance, making your music sound fuller and more enjoyable. Do you want a stylish, portable, and easy-to-use vinyl player with a timeless suitcase design? The Victrola Journey might be the perfect choice for you. The third product on our list is the seasonlife R609. If you want an easy-to-use turntable that delivers enjoyable music for relaxing everyday listening, the seasonlife R609 is the best vinyl player for you. This is a perfect pick for casual daily listening due to its simple controls, vintage design, and all-in-one music features. You get a stylish, retro-inspired record player that blends classic vinyl charm with modern wireless playback. Its compact design looks great in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, while the removable dust cover helps keep your records clean and protected when not in use. This belt-driven turntable supports all 3 record speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, letting you enjoy 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records from your collection. The balanced tone arm with lifting control helps provide smoother playback while making it easier for beginners to handle records safely. The speciality is its anti-vibration belt-driven system with built-in stereo speakers. The internal spring and shock absorption design help reduce unwanted vibration and improve sound quality, giving you cleaner and more enjoyable music during casual listening sessions without needing extra speakers. You also get wireless Bluetooth input, allowing you to stream music directly from your smartphone or other compatible devices whenever you're not spinning records. Moreover, the AUX input, headphone jack, and RCA output give you flexible listening options for private listening or connecting external speakers later. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, making it ideal if you're just getting started with vinyl. The auto-stop feature also adds convenience by automatically stopping the turntable when your record finishes playing. If you want a stylish, relaxing, and beginner-friendly vinyl player that makes everyday music listening simple and enjoyable, the SeasonLife R609 could be the perfect addition to your home. The second product on our list is the Retrolife R609. The Retrolife R609 is the best premium vinyl player for outstanding sound quality because it combines vintage charm, rich audio performance, and modern convenience in one stylish portable design. If you want a turntable that feels premium while delivering smooth and enjoyable music playback, this one is built for you. With a beautiful suitcase-style design wrapped in classic black PU leather with retro bronze accents that instantly give your room a timeless vintage vibe. Its portable build and sturdy carrying handle also let you take your music anywhere, making it perfect for relaxing at home, gatherings, or weekend listening sessions. This belt-driven turntable supports all 3 record sizes, 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl, along with 33, 45, and 78 RPM playback speeds. The anti-resonance design helps reduce unwanted vibration, giving you cleaner and more balanced sound quality while listening to your favorite records. The speciality is its flexible audio connectivity and premium listening experience. You can stream music wirelessly through Bluetooth, connect external speakers using the RCA output for bigger sound, or plug in your headphones for private listening anytime you want. There's also an AUX input for connecting non-Bluetooth devices like MP3 players. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, so you can start playing records within minutes without needing extra equipment. The built-in auto-stop function adds extra convenience by automatically stopping the turntable once your record finishes playing, helping protect both the stylus and your vinyl collection. You also get simple onboard controls with an easy mode switch between Bluetooth, AUX, and phono modes, making everyday use smooth and stress-free. If you want premium sound quality, stylish vintage design, and versatile playback features in one portable vinyl player, the Retrolife R609 might be the premium pick for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Cotsoco M415. The Cotsoco Vintage Vinyl Record Player is the best overall vinyl player for built-in stereo speakers. It gives you the perfect balance of classic style, modern features, and easy everyday listening. It is a record player that looks beautiful while delivering warm, enjoyable sound right out of the box. You will get built-in Bluetooth connectivity that lets you wirelessly stream music from your smartphone or tablet with ease. So, you can enjoy both your vinyl collection and digital playlists on one stylish setup. The dual built-in stereo speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound without needing extra equipment, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or casual listening sessions. This belt-driven turntable supports all 3 popular speeds, 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, so you can play 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records without limitations. Setup is simple, and the controls are beginner-friendly, making it a great choice whether you're new to vinyl or already building your collection. The speciality is its versatile connectivity. You get AUX input, RCA output, and a headphone jack, giving you multiple ways to enjoy your music. You can connect external speakers for louder audio, plug in headphones for private listening, or directly play music through AUX devices whenever you want. Its retro wooden design also makes it more than just a music player. The vintage-style exterior and protective dust cover help it blend beautifully into your home decor while keeping your records safe and clean. If you're looking for a stylish, easy-to-use vinyl player with satisfying built-in speakers, the cotsoco Vintage Vinyl Record Player could become your favorite way to enjoy music every day. That's all for our list of the top 5 best budget turntable vinyl players on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.